Hi guys, this is another review. This is Medion coffee machine. What's nice about this is it has its own filter. So you don't have to buy coffee filter. And it holds 8 to 10 cups of water or 1.2 liters. And it has the strength of the coffee. You can select 1, 2, 3. I am selecting number 3 because I want it stronger, but that means it is longer. And program, you can do timer in it, so you just have to play with it so you will know. And of course, this is how you're going to adjust the time. So it has time, as you can see, and it's stainless steel. The model number for this is MD18458. So yeah, again, it holds 1.2 liters and 900 watts. But I think now it got expensive. When I bought this one, it was around 25 euros. But now it's 40 and yeah, 35. But I would say it's worth the money if you're looking for a good coffee machine. But if you're looking for expensive ones, you can go for the Longi because they are like just the nicest brand as well. But this one is doing its job. Okay, I hope it helps you. Bye.